Hey guys, it's Kylie with WTI. So I'm definitely one of those people who always has a low iPhone charge. I just can't help it. I know it's really bad. So I'm super happy that I have the ChargeCard from AquaVault Inc. It has been a lifesaver. This card is super small. It's literally barely thicker than a credit card, and it's about the same width and height of a credit card. So it's awesome because it literally fits in my wallet, in my purse, in my backpack, and even fits in my pocket. So that's just one awesome thing about this charging device is it fits almost anywhere. I personally like to use the ChargeCard when I'm out backpacking because it's super tiny. It doesn't add a lot of weight to my pack, and I'm always low on battery out in the wilderness. So it's a nice way to get that boost of battery while I'm out there. The ChargeCard also charges pretty fast. I can get almost a full charge from it before I have to plug it back in. So I think that's pretty good for how small the charger is. I really love my ChargeCard from AquaVault Inc. It's super small, it's compact, it's easy to take with me anywhere, and it's just like a great addition to my wallet to make sure that my phone is charged at all times. So I really appreciate it. And that's my point of view.